Welcome back to 413 Vlog. It has been a minute. I'm headed to Kauai today. Gonna take some nice little scenic shots. Brought the drone, brought the GoPro, brought my mom, brought the wife. It's gonna be a good trip. Let's go! We made it! We're in Lahaina! We're in Lahaina! So we're headed to Waimea Canyon. It's supposed to look a lot like the Grand Canyon, just green. And I've been there once before, but it was really quick and I wasn't able to stay real long. I had to catch a flight, so it'll be nice to spend a little more time there this time. There's hiking trails, things to do around the area. Takes about an hour and 15, hour and 20 from the airport. Nice little drive, coffee shops, little local shops, things like that. I would suggest going earlier in the morning, not like us going at 11:48, but it really should be fun. So we'll keep you updated. Right.
That is going to take us to the 50.
Okay.
So we're not going to drop down on the 51.
She has a visual. She can see where she's going. She's very ready to go. Mom is set. What do you see, Mom? Oh my god, that was like a 2 minutes difference between now and then. You made it, Mom. Hiked all the way up here. From right there to right here. So I tried to get the best I could of the canyon, but you can't have a drone because it's federal land, and it just seemed a little rude even to try, honestly. But it's very, very pretty and hard to capture on the camera, so hopefully you saw it. But definitely come to the canyon, it's worth seeing. Alright, that's it. That's Kauai. Back to LA, see the kiddos. Back to real life, at least for 3 weeks, and we're back to Maui. Yeah.